Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Ford Fusion this generation here from year 2013 to year 2020. If you need to find where the left headlight fuses are located, you may need to check up to 3 different fuses in 2 different fuse boxes. Stay with us, we'll explain where you can find them, where you can buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time. Why guys, it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. All that will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure to stay until the end. So let us tell you a little bit about us guys. When we get a car here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 free repair videos absolutely to you guys. We make a video about every single fuse, every single relay. Let's say you're in the middle of nowhere, your car doesn't start, you can easily identify what causes that. You can search for engine starter fuse, fuel pump fuse. Let's say that's a problem, you replace it, you're back in the road. It takes less than 2 minutes to watch the video guys. So that will be guys our mission, to make your life easier and to solve your problem. Now in addition guys, we have other channels as well. We make 300 free repair videos on every car we get at the garage, take them completely apart. We do engine work, transmission, body work, engine codes, fuses, anything like that. Now why we do that? To save you money guys. So on this Ford Fusion there are different years, okay, through the different models through the years from 2013 all the way to 2020. There will be some minor differences about the fuses. So if you notice that we mention up to 2-3 different fuses for the same thing, it could be because it could be a different fuse for a different year, but we're trying to help all of you with that generation Ford Fusion. So let's start on it now. So left headlight fuses, where you can expect to find them guys, we will demonstrate on this generation Ford Fusion right here. Now you guys have multiple fuse boxes, but some of them are very hidden. We have special video on our YouTube channel about fuse box location on Ford Fusion. For the left headlight, first we need to open the hood. Here on the driver's side you have that cover that looks like a T. Open it. Underneath you'll find the main engine fuse box with a layout like this one. Before we guys continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important guys to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. So another thing guys, before I forget, if you guys need to buy any fuses, relays, parts, tools for Ford Fusion or any car at a good price, quick shipping, we'll put a link in the description of the video below for your convenience. That way you do not waste your money and time. So guys, now here we need to check 2 fuses. We need to go to a different fuse box, check 2 more. You see that row of fuses here? We need to check fuse number 18 right here, then 19, 20, 18 and 20. Now after that you go on the driver's side, under the dash here you see that trim, it extends to the other side of the steering wheel. It has 4 clips underneath, one here, one there, 2 like that on the other side. Open from top to bottom, it opens, and inside, deep inside the dash on the left side, you'll find the main interior fuse box with a layout like this one. Here guys, okay, you have some double fuses. We always recommend to keep some spare ones. One time we were in the middle of nowhere, we needed replacement and we were stuck because we couldn't find one. Here you need to check fuse number 20. That's actually 19 and 20 double fuse guys. But that one here, okay, that one you need to check for left headlight. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you next time.